This is group 4. I'm Kaustubh Chittai with my project partners. This is my project. These are my DH parameters over here. Let's run the project. This is my GUI. Here we can insert XYZ values. We can use sliders to take manual control, and these are some buttons for the operation. These are buttons for the optimization. Now let's give some value XYZ. Let's give 3.5, 15, and -3. Once I click on the go to XYZ, the robot will move and will go to the XYZ positions. I can show you by measuring it. The X is almost it's 15 centimeter by 3.5 centimeters by -3 centimeters. So now we can see that if I move the sliders, we can take control of the robot. You can even see the same in GUI. You can move all the axis, all the joints. So if something went wrong, doctor can take manual control and he can do the injection procedure.
I'm going to be showing you the two operations which the robot is going to do. So basically there are different techniques in which the teeth can be numbed. We have the mental nerve block, we have the local infiltration, we have the palatal injections. But since for time constraint and we have the techniques for the robot, we're going to be showing you the mental nerve block and the local infiltration. So the very first we're going to be showing you the local infiltration, which is the upper jaw. So we're going to be injecting right beside the maxillary nerve, and we're going to show you that how it's going to take place. So we're going to be injecting the position over there near the maxillary nerve. So we're not going to be injecting on the nerve or the blood vessel. We're going to be injecting near the nerve. So let's see how it's going to do that. So you can see that the nerve it's injected not on the nerve but very close. So we have the local infiltration for the upper jaw, and now I'm going to doing that for the mental nerve block, which is the lower jaw. So for the lower jaw, you have to inject it first at the inferior alveolar nerve over there, and then you have to inject the mental nerve which comes over there. So the robot's going to first inject at the inferior alveolar nerve, and then it's going to inject at the mental nerve. So we're going to show you how it's going to be doing that. So at first it injected the inferior alveolar nerve, and then it injected at the mental nerve, which completes the operation of the teeth numbing, and then it returns back to its position. The needle to the position where we're going to inject the anesthesia. So actually we can make the injection of anesthesia autonomous, but since for the demonstration purposes we have introduced another button which will inject the anesthesia into the gums of the teeth. So when I click this inject button, the syringe over here is going to get actuated by the linear actuator, and the needle over there is going to inject the anesthesia into the gums of the teeth. So now I'm going to be clicking on the inject button. So So the injection of anesthesia should be done really slow because it will reduce the pain to the patients. Pressure of 0.6 should always be set for the minimal pain to the patient. So the linear actuator moves really slowly and injects the anesthesia into the gums of the teeth.
Thank you.